Assalamu alaikum. Students, hope you people are doing well. In the last classes we have discussed about global information system and types of databases. So we'll resume the classes from today, discussing about e-commerce. Okay, so today inshallah we'll be discussing what is e-commerce, what are the applications and types of e-commerce. Okay, so basically we will have discussed the basics about the e-commerce in your graduation and intermediate. It is all about using of electronic medium for exchange of goods and services, and also for transactions, right? So it is how it is making the work easier, how the electronic medium, how the technology is making our work easier in carrying out the various functions of businesses. Okay, so e-commerce is basically about a means of where we are using a certain electronic medium for exchanging or transactions, exchanging of goods and services, and commercial transactions. Okay, but now according to the certain definitions, the one basic definition says that it is a usage of electronic medium to exchange the goods and services and also for carrying out the commercial transactions. हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ दो uses पढ़ रहे हैं definition में. It is helping you to have a commercial transaction and as well as for exchanging the goods and services by using an internet from business to business or from consumers to business to consumers. Okay, now but the other definition also says that e-commerce not only refers to share go for the exchange of product and services and commercial transactions, but also it is a means of sharing a business information between the business to business and as well as from business to consumers, like maintenance of business relationships and also for conducting the business transactions with the help of computers and with the help of internet services. Okay, now it is making it globally by usage of certain technologies and as well as by usage of your electronic medium. Okay, now what is happening, it is making the telecommunication network usage of telecommunication network into the businesses. Okay, so this is the e-commerce definition, which says that usage of electronic medium for carrying out the commercial transactions. Now it is doing your commercial transactions are being carried out, and as well as it is commonly used to refer selling of product and services over the internet to consumers and to the businesses, and also it is helping you to share the business information. Business informations can be shared, and it is helping by doing so it is helping you to have a proper business relationship. Okay, so this is a proper definition for your e-commerce. It is carrying out more than 4 works of your businesses, that is commercial transactions, selling of your product and services, and also for maintaining a business relationship and sharing of business information. So it is, in short, it is using a telecommunication properly. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि here these are the usage of e-commerce, but how, where it is being used. So here we will be discussing a certain types of e-commerce. अब आप जब भी you people have gone through the e-commerce or types of e-commerce, the most important and the most defined types of e-commerce are your business to consumers and business to business. But we have a various kind of e-commerce which has been discussed in your syllabus, that is consumers to consumers, business to administration, consumers to administration, that is also called as government, and consumers to business, then business to business, and business to consumers. That is around 6 types of e-commerce we will be discussing in today's session. Okay, now coming to when I'm talking about business to business, now business to business means it is representing the electronic exchange of product. मतलब यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, by using a certain electronic medium to exchange the product and services. Not only product and services, but also what is happening between business to business, product and services are not only exchanged, but also the business informations are being exchanged. Okay, and what is happening with the help of business to business e-commerce applications, here it is helping you to exchange the product, and certain websites can be used for exchanging the information of the product or exchanging the information of your business, and to exchange the product and services, basically suppliers or businesses ke beech mein, when you share the information, or when you are having a certain business raw materials, and when you are providing to the business. So ye kya ho gaya ki it is a kind of business to business information which is shared with the help of electronic medium. Okay, now not only for the product and services and business information, but it is helping you to share the have a proper transactions between the business to business. अब ये सारी क्या है, बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जो हर जगह अप्लाई हो रही है. है ना, कि ये 4 फंक्शन है ई कॉमर्स के जो हर जगह अप्लाई हो रहे हैं. ओके, सो बिजनेस टू बिजनेस में क्या हो रहा है कि यू आर गोइंग टू शेयर द प्रोडक्ट सर्विस इन्फॉर्मेशन, बिजनेस इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड एज वेल एज इट इज हेल्पिंग यू टू कैरी द ट्रांजेक्शंस प्रॉपरली. नाउ दैट कमिंग टू द बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर्स, नाउ क्या हो रहा है कि हम यहाँ पर ई कॉमर्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम यूज़ कर रहे हैं टू शेयर द इन्फॉर्मेशन बिटवीन business to consumers. Business to, here you are doing it between the business to consumers. Now the best example could be nowadays, like you can see a lot of leading companies like Amazon, Flipkart, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि they are not acting as a mediator between the business and consumers, where it is helping you to share the complete product and services to your consumers. There is no need to go for shopping, like it is, in short, it is making a work easier for the consumers. So हम क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Now again, what is the need for electronic medium, electronic commerce की ज़रूरत क्या थी when you are having a proper commercials, market है जाकर वहाँ से ख़रीद सकते हैं. But what is happening, it is making a work easier for consumers so that you can give the product and services on door to your consumers. And nowadays consumer also want to have a like on click services. तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि इसका डिमांड बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ जा रहा है. E-commerce is getting a lot of demand because of the like one could be like when you are making it easier for your consumers, so obviously consumer, rather than going and like purchasing the product, it is very easier for them to purchase it online. There could be different disadvantages for e-commerce also, but mostly we have a lot of advantages. That is the reason we are preferring. So it is having a lot of demand, when that is the reason most of the businesses are like adapting the strategy for online businesses. Okay, so the retail marketers, पहले तो क्या हो रहा था कि 90s business to consumers were there, like exchange of product and services, transactions were there in 90s itself, but now it has been more updated and now it has came into the retail systems. Okay, like एक retailer shop की तरह use हो गया है. How we are going to like now this online platforms है, ये e-commerce की वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि ये online platforms, it is helping you to act as a retail systems, कि हम यहाँ पर हमारा प्रोडक्ट वहाँ एक पर्टिकुलर मीडिएटर को दे रहे हैं, विच इज़ एक्टिंग एज अ रिटेलर फॉर आवर कंज्यूमर्स, एंड इट इज़ मेकिंग द वर्क ईजियर फॉर द कंज्यूमर्स. ओके, द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस कुड बी योर Amazon and Flipkart. And it could be GPay, PayPal, Paytm, Smart Cards, Quicker, like Myntra, Shopify, and Flipkart, Amazon. Again, ये सारे क्या examples है business to consumers के लिए आपके. Now I'm not saying that it is not applicable for business to business, but these applications are also helpful for business to business, because ये सारी चीज़ें हम transactions हम business to business में भी कर सकते हैं by using a certain applications. ठीक है ना. तो business to consumer हो गया. Now coming to the next is your consumer to business. Okay, now consumer to consumers. When I'm talking about business to business, business to consumers, consumers to consumers. अब consumers to consumer, what is it? Best example I'll tell you to make it more understandable, that is OLX. है ना, कि यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि आई एम गोइंग टू सेल माई प्रोडक्ट, आई एम अ कंज्यूमर, आई एम गोइंग टू सेल. मेरी कोई चीज़ है, आई एम नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट दी ओल्डर थिंग, बट नई भी चीज़ है, तो मैं यहाँ पर क्या करूँ, बाई यूजिंग दिस सर्टेन प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड एज योर OLX. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि आई एम एक्टिंग एज अ कंज्यूमर एंड आई एम सेलिंग माई प्रोडक्ट टू द कंज्यूमर ओनली. तो ये क्या हो रहा है, अगेन इट इज़ हेल्पफुल विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम और ई कॉमर्स. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज़ योर कंज्यूमर टू बिजनेस. कंज्यूमर टू बिजनेस क्या हो गया यहाँ पर, हियर नाउ सर्टेन इंस्टाग्राम पे यूजुअली यू सी कि पीपल मेक सर्टेन हैंडमेड थिंग, राइट. हैंडमेड कोई चीज़ बनाकर, या फिर दे शोकेस देयर स्किल्स ऑफ मेहंदी डिज़ाइनिंग और लाइक सर्टेन कुकिंग स्किल्स है. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि ये चीज़ें कर कर वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, दे अट्रैक्टिंग अ बिजनेस प्लेटफॉर्म्स, है ना. कि देखिए आप कोई कार्ड्स है, लाइक यू सर्टेन पर्सन मेक्स अ गुड इन्विटेशन कार्ड्स और गुड गिफ्ट्स, है ना, कि कुछ गिफ्ट्स है या फिर इन्विटेशन कार्ड्स बना रहे हैं, एंड दे ट्राई टू लाइक रिप्रेजेंटेड ऑन अ सर्टेन प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल एज योर इंस्टाग्राम, राइट. तो यहाँ पर इंस्टाग्राम पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें लाइक वी आर एग्जीक्यूटिंग इट बाय यूजिंग इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब और व्हाट डू यू कॉल सर्टेन प्लेटफॉर्म्स हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सर्टेन एप्लीकेशंस हम यूज़ कर कर क्या कर रहे हैं कि वी आर शोकेसिंग आवर स्किल्स. हम क्या हो गए, कंज्यूमर्स हो गए. तो वी आर अलाउिंग अ सर्टेन बिजनेसेस. अब जो बिजनेस पीपल है वो व्हाट दिल डू, दिल हायर माई कार्ड्स, दिल से ओके यू आर गुड इन मेकिंग कार्ड्स, वी वांट सर्टेन ऑर्डर्स. हम ऑर्डर्स मिल रहे हैं हमें. तो इट इज़ ओनली पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर ई कॉमर्स. ओके, सो कंज्यूमर टू बिजनेस इज बेसिकली विच इज़ यूज वेयर द कंज्यूमर्स कैन शोकेस their skills by using electronic medium to attract your businesses. Okay, we took the example for Instagram, YouTube, etc. Now next is your business to administration. Now what is administration? Administration और गवर्नमेंट, हम यहाँ पर जो भी चीज़ें वॉट एवर डील्स आर बीन डन, टैक्सेस आर बीन पेड, टैरिफ्स आर बीन पेड विद द help of your electronic medium to the government. That is again which is the types of e-commerce, that is business to administration or business to government. Okay. Now what is happening in this between the business and government, the companies are paying a taxes and like certain e-documents can be sent registrar office, like जैसे कि आपको मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन भेजना है या आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन भेजना है तो आपको डायरेक्टली जाकर वहाँ पर नहीं, यू कैन जस्ट सेंड इट थ्रू दी मेल्स. ओके, यू कैन डू इट बाय यूजिंग अ सर्टेन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम. So it is making a work easier between the businesses and government, not only sharing the information but also for making a proper transactions for paying a tax, tariffs, etc. ओके, ये हो गया बिजनेस टू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. यहाँ पर एप्लीकेबल है कि किस चीज़ों के लिए एप्लीकेबल है, ट्रांजेक्शन्स के लिए एप्लीकेबल है, इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करने के लिए एप्लीकेबल है, डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर करने के लिए एप्लीकेबल है. ठीक है ना. अब कंज्यूमर्स टू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या वर्क है यहाँ पर? बिजनेस टू गवर्नमेंट ऑब्वियसली रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन करना है बिकॉज दे हैव टू पे सर्टेन टैक्सेस एंड दे हैव टू जस्ट हैव अ प्रॉपर लाइक एक्सचेंज ऑफ बिजनेस इन्फॉर्मेशन. नाउ व्हाट इज कंज्यूमर टू administration? Consumer to administration, now again we have a certain relationship with the government and administrations, right? What is a REIT? Like nowadays you can see that by sitting at home I can pay my house bill, electronic bill, right? Electricity bill. Okay, so here what is happening, which is only possible by helping with the help of my mobile phone, that is certain electronic medium, एक technology की मदद से, by using my laptop, my computer, I can do it the same thing. So here what is happening, it is helping me to have a proper like to pay the हेल्थ बिल्स है या फिर व्हाट डू यू कॉल दिस कुड बी लाइक रिटेलिंग इंडस्ट्रीज़ में पे करना है, लाइक यहाँ पर हम टैक्सेस पे कर रहे हैं, बिल्स पे कर रहे हैं, गैस बिल्स है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स है. सो अगेन इट इज़ हेल्पिंग अस टू मेक द वर्क ईजियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर e-commerce. Okay, so again it has been more developed, e-commerce is being developed not only in India but also it is leading in the all over the world. Okay, it is an estimation that around 1.1 trillion dollars benefits could be done with the help of your e-commerce in USA. Okay, so it could be more than, I guess it is in it is in survey of 2016. Now it might have been updated more. So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि these are certain types of e-commerce के how e-commerce is applicable. अब आप देखेंगे कि like you have seen that every type it is helping you for the transactions, it is helping you to share the information and as well as to sell your product and services. So we have discussed about business to business, about transactions, business information, है ना, कि business एक business से दूसरे business में how it is helpful and how the electronic medium is making the work easier. Business to consumer, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay and what do you call GPay है ना. कस्टमर्स टू कंज्यूमर्स टू कंज्यूमर्स के ना वो सर्टेन एक प्लेटफॉर्म ले लिए, वहाँ पर हम सेल कर रहे हैं. आई एम अ कंज्यूमर्स, इवन दी अदर्स आर कंज्यूमर. मेरी कोई चीज़ मुझे बेचना है तो ऑब्वियसली व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम नॉट अ बिजनेस पर्सन, आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु सेल्स the certain things for a profit sake. This I am selling which is not being used for me. So OLX could be a best example. Business to administration for paying transaction taxes of businesses or information and like again for the transactions for sending the documents to the businesses, again we are using electronic medium. Consumers to administration, again as I told you, for paying the bills we can use a certain electronic medium to exchange the transactions. ठीक है ना, exchange the information between the consumers and administration. आया समझ में ये सारे types of e-commerce. Now coming to the applications of e-commerce. Okay, applications of e-commerce. Now coming to the very first, that is retail and wholesale. अब यहाँ पर e-commerce कहाँ पर applicable है? Okay, coming to the very first thing, that is your retail and wholesale. When I'm talking about the e-commerce in the retail and wholesale, it is having a numerous application in this sector. Okay, why? Because this e-retailing is basically for business to consumers. अब ये क्या होगा कि electronic retailing is between business to consumer. जैसा कि हम पीछे भी पढ़े थे कि business to consumers is basically acting as in retail system. जैसा कि एक revision what do you call an updated version for your business to consumers. electronic medium 90s में भी इस्तेमाल होता था, लेकिन but now we have updated in the form of retail system, है ना. तो वही चीज़ यहाँ पर repeat हो रही है कि how we are using a retail and wholesale like retail e-system by using an electronic medium. Okay, now this is it is, as I told you, basically used for business to consumers, and in some cases this is also used between the business to businesses. Okay, like sales of goods and services through online stores, designing a virtual shopping carts and electronic catalogs बना रहे हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें with the help of this you can have a proper application of e-commerce in business to business. And also what is happening, it is helping you to have a retail e-commerce by using of mobile commerce, एम कॉमर्स. जैसे कि हम यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, हम जहाँ आई एम टेलिंग कि इट इज़ एक्टिंग एज ए सबसेट. यहाँ पर अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स ऐसी चीज़ है जो जहाँ पर हम एक पर्टिकुलर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम नथिंग इट बट इट इज़ मोबाइल. ओके, सो डू नॉट गेट confused between what is m-commerce and what is electronic commerce. ठीक. Now coming to the next is your what is online market. ठीक है, रिटेल और होलसेल में क्या है, it is applicable for business to consumers as well as business to businesses. Okay, now it is helping you to have a proper virtual shopping and electronic catalogs, and also it is helping you to have a proper e-payment. जैसा कि हमें कोई receipt या फिर what do you call invoices की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but here what is happening, and everything can be done without having any printing papers. Okay, so online payments can be made easier for purchasing of your product and services. Okay, online marketing, obviously most important application I must say in the e-commerce is online marketing. It is helping you to market your product online by making it easier and by making it efficient for you to reach the many people at once. Okay, so this again refers to the gathering of data about consumers. यहाँ पर हम हमारे consumers के reviews भी मालूम कर सकते हैं. Okay, कंज्यूमर्स के रिव्यूज़ मालूम हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन नेगोशिएट एंड यहाँ पर इन द शॉर्ट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, यू विल बी गेटिंग टू नो अबाउट द इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर कंज्यूमर्स, व्हाट दे वांट, व्हाट आर द डिफेक्ट्स इन योर प्रोडक्ट्स, and as well as it is helping you to market more and more products to the more and more consumers. So in short, it is helping you to marketing activities like fixing prices, negotiating, enhancing product features, building strong customer relationship. ये सारी चीज़ें कब possible है, when you're taking a proper relationship with the consumers, and that could be made more easier with the help of your e-commerce. Okay, so online marketing again an application for your e-commerce. Finance मतलब banking and financial institutions now they are using e-commerce for a significant extent. मतलब एक बहुत ही important tool की तरह यूज़ हो जा रहा है. It is in the banks, it is making our work easier कि आप ऑनलाइन ही सब इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकते हो. certain applications बना दिए, हर बैंक का एक एप्लीकेशन है कि आपको कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, you just go through that, बैलेंस इंक्वायरी है, blocking of your ATM card, and what do you call inquired about your account. ये सारी चीज़ें हमें जाकर करने से बेहतर है कि we are sitting at home and we are using certain applications of your bank and you are making it easier. Transactions possible है. Okay, so this is again helping you into the maintaining your finance. Okay, paying bills and as well as paying your insurance premiums, and certain stock online के लिए है, news about the getting information about your accounts as I told you, right? तो यहाँ पर it is making the work easier for transactions. Manufacturing, supply chain operators है, जैसे कि most probably few companies they actually use a create an electronic exchange of the purchases and sales of the goods. यहाँ पर exchange market information मतलब हम यहाँ पर usually हमारे products को modify कर सकते हैं, inventory control I must say कि stock control कर सकते हैं by using यहाँ पर हम product को modify कर रहे हैं, features को modify कर रहे हैं with the help of your e-commerce by getting an information about your products into the market, and as well as the reviews from your consumers, and as well as you can आप अपने stock maintain भी कर सकते हो. ज़्यादा manufacturing नहीं करना है क्योंकि you know कि कितना range होगा, कितने products खरीदेंगे, कौन से area में हमारे consumers which area people are purchasing your product more about based on their needs. तो यहाँ पर it is helping you to have a